Today we are demonstrating how to assemble boltless rivet shelving. First, we need an assembler. This is Carl, Warehouse 1's intern for the summer. Introduce yourself, Carl.
Hi, I'm Carl.
Thank you. To show you how easy it is to assemble boltless rivet shelving, we're going to ask Carl to do it. Have you ever assembled boltless rivet shelving?
Well, I'm pretty handy.
A simple no would suffice.
Ugh.
As you can see, Carl has no experience putting rivet shelving together. So if our intern can do it, you can do it too. First, let's go over what tools you'll need. A rubber mallet. That is all.
Whoa.
That's right.
This is all I need?
That's what I said.
Yeah.
Next, make sure you have all the components necessary for building your shelving. Posts. Long and short shelf support beams. Decking. And if applicable, shelf tie supports.
Looks like we're missing the tie supports.
I was just about to say the shelving unit we are assembling today does not need any tie supports. Yeah. Let's begin. Lay 2 posts parallel to each other on the floor. Connect the posts with a short beam at the top and at the bottom. Make sure the lip faces inward. Slide the beam's connector into the hole on the post and secure it with a gentle tap of the mallet. Repeat the process with another set of posts and short beams. Attach a long beam to one of the post and beam sets at the top and the bottom. Lean the structure against a wall. Join the structure with the post and beam set by connecting the long beams to the posts. Attach the other long beams to the top and bottom levels. The lips on the beam should be pointed upward. Carl, those beams are not level. You better fix it before... Oh! Rookie mistake. Let's see that in an instant replay. That's better. Add the remaining beams in the middle to create additional shelf levels. Nice form. Place decking in each shelf level. And there you go. As you can see, if our intern can assemble rivet shelving, you can too. Say goodbye, Carl.
See.